Hi, I'm Megan, the social media coordinator here at Lovely Skin. Today I'm here to unbox and try EltaMD's UV Skin Recovery Broad Spectrum SPF 50. I'm so excited to try it because it's supposed to support your skin barrier, which is a hot topic in skincare at the moment. It comes in both an untinted and green tinted version, and the green tinted one is going to immediately improve the look of redness. This is because green is directly across from red on the color wheel, so the two actually cancel each other out. It's made with 100% mineral sun filters while still being lightweight and leaving no white cast or greasy finish, and contains ceramides and Centella asiatica to strengthen the skin barrier and defend against sensitivity. It has some impressive clinical claims as well, which is great because it can also be used as a post-procedure sunscreen. Let's try it. Both formulas are the same except for their tint, but I'm going to be trying the green one because I've always wanted to try a color-correcting sunscreen. I have a little bit of a rosy hue to my skin, but those with rosacea or procedure-related redness can use it too. I love how lightweight the product is, and because I have a normal skin type, I feel like I could use it as my moisturizer in the morning. It's not leaving any white cast, and it's also not greasy at all, yet still feels really hydrating. For more unboxings, tutorials, and education, like and subscribe. Goodbye!